Hello students, welcome to the series of Cambridge Word List, series number 6. Like always, we shall understand the word, we will crack the meaning of it, two synonyms and two antonyms again we will develop, and we will see the sentence usage of it. So here we begin. The first word is ruminant. Ruminant. This is an animal that chews food again after swallowing. For example, you might have seen cows and goats after they swallow the food, they again recollect it and start re-chewing it. Such sort of animals are called as ruminants. The synonyms of these words are grazing animal or chut chewer, cut chewer, cut. The foam which is formed while they chew the food, that is called as cut. The antonyms of the words are carnivore and omnivore. Synonyms after that. Now the sentence. Cows are ruminant animals, which means they digest grass slowly by chewing it several times. The second word is however, the most misinterpreted word and a word which is sure to appear in your writing or listening modules. And when you understand the word, it helps you to command in speaking and writing. The word is however. However means but or in contrast. The synonyms are nevertheless or still. That is, it is still continuing. The antonyms are therefore or hence. I studied hard, however, I still made a small mistake in the exam. Word number 3, partial. Not complete or unfinished. The synonyms incomplete or half. Antonyms complete and whole. W-H-O-L-E. Whole. The sentence is, the report is partial, so we need more data to finish it. Word 4 is hydrogenated. Something which is made solid by adding hydrogen to oil. So that is the synonym which are solidified fat or processed fat. The antonyms are natural oil or unprocessed oil. Biscuits often contain hydrogenated fats to stay crispy for longer time. Word number 5 is processed food. Food changed from its natural state for longer shelf life. Food is changed from its natural state in order to keep it for a longer shelf life. Synonyms are packaged food or refined food. Antonyms are fresh food or whole food. The sentence usages, too much processed food can increase the risk of health problems. Word number 6, very common and very formal word, which is adverse effect. Adverse is harmful, adverse is negative. So the meaning of the word adverse effect is a harmful or negative result. Synonyms are negative impact or harmful outcome. Antonyms are benefit or advantage. The sentence usages, smoking has an adverse effect on the lungs. Word 7, prospective. Prospective, that is something which is expected to happen in the future. Synonyms are potential or possible. Antonyms are unlikely, that means not going to happen, or doubtful. Sentence, she spoke confidently to impress her prospective employer. That means the employer who will be in the future, the employer who is taking the interview. Word number 8 is the incidence of. Sometimes not only the words, the phrases are equally important. The incidence of is the word number 8. How often something happens, that is the meaning. Synonyms are rate of or frequency of. Antonyms: absence of or lack of. Lack is not having something, something which is not present. Sentence: the incidence of diabetes is rising in many countries. Instead of saying diabetes is increasing in many countries or in many countries diabetes is increasing, the correct phrase to add is the incidence of diabetes is rising in many countries. Word number 9 is even at. Even at. That means despite a certain level or age. The synonyms are despite or regardless of. All the three words, students, are very, very important. The words are even at, despite, or regardless of. Very important. The antonyms are because of and due to. There is a subtle variation between a general word because and the phrase because of. This is because of, and the other antonym is due to. The sentence is even at 70, that means even at this certain age, she goes for a morning walk every day. The last two words, word number 10, is relatively. Very important to use in your writing and speaking. And when it comes in listening or reading, what is the real meaning of the word? It means compared to other things or to some extent. Synonyms are somewhat or fairly. Antonyms are absolutely or extremely. Absolutely is completely. Extremely is to the far end. Fairly is limited. Somewhat is limited. The sentence is the phone is relatively cheap but still works well. Comparative to others, this phone is cheaper but it still works well. That is the sentence. And the last word for today, as the word relatively, so the word is comparatively. So the meaning is in comparison or when compared. Synonyms are relatively or by comparison. Antonyms are absolutely or completely. Sentence: the weather in the south is comparatively warmer than in the north. I repeat, the weather in the south is comparatively warmer than in the south. So that was the list of 11 words for today. We have this series continuing. If you are new to the channel, revise the first 5 series and keep learning all the words. Last minute, you just cannot try to crack your reading speed or your listening speed. The words need to be in command from the moment you start your competitive examinations. All the very good luck, students.